Bag was invented in the 1960s, but it wasn't an instant smash hit. It took several years to trigger a big reaction. But by the 1980s, automakers were installing them in most vehicles. Sensors detect a sudden deceleration and inflate them, giving vehicle occupants a soft landing. This side curtain airbag inflates in less than 20 thousandths of a second. Blink and you'll miss it. Making an airbag is practically a seamless effort because they're woven in one piece. Big computerized looms weave at a blurring speed, 600 revolutions per minute. They're called airjet jacquard looms. They lift and lower each nylon yarn to make an intricate one-piece fabric. Up to 10,700 yarns can be used to make the material. If even one of the thousands of yarns breaks, an electrical sensor will detect it and shut the loom down, so production never gets in a snarl. Despite this rapid weaving action, the loom produces just 8 meters of fabric an hour. That's because it's very dense fabric. That density will allow the airbag to stand up to the force of deployment. Now the woven fabric goes through an inspection station. As automated rollers wind it up, a worker examines it. If it's acceptable, he signs it off. Next, it's on to the scouring station. Here, a machine unwinds the airbag fabric as rollers guide it towards a wash and dry system that's 36 meters long. The rollers draw the airbag material through a number of big wash tanks to ensure a thorough cleaning. Then a series of hot rollers dry and press the fabric. The freshly laundered airbag material moves through the coating machine. A hose pumps liquid silicone onto the fabric and a scraper overhead distributes it. As a worker scoops some up, you can see that it's as thick as molasses. The silicone seals the airbag fabric, but it's wet and sticky and needs to dry. So it passes through a series of ovens heated to about 190 degrees.